Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2013 Toro Dingo TX525 narrow track mini skid steer loader. This is going to come with the factory Toro brand ride platform. Comes with a good Toro brand 33-inch bucket. Unit's in nice shape, other than one little wee crack up here in the hood, or like a dent. I'll show you on the plastic hood. Tracks are in good shape. The 640-hour machine and the tracks show that, but they're in good shape. Johnny lugs are still good, and there's approximately 50% of tread life left. So, the purpose of the video today is we're going to start running, work this machine so it does everything it's supposed to do. Let's start you right here underneath the engine part. So, unit would be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Engine starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that whatsoever. Engine is crystal clear and clean. We've done a full service, everything and anything you can imagine, air filter, fuel filter, hydraulic, everything has been changed, and this unit is ready to go to work. Can't find a single thing that it needs. You can see it here, and I don't pull any punches. Any of you guys that follow us on YouTube will straight up tell you about anything. And it's how we operate our business. It's how we've done it for years, and we're not going to change today. So, got a lot of guys out buying stuff at auction sales. They have no idea what they even have. Bring it home, and I call it the Earl Shives Quickie paint job, and oh, it's a great machine, but they didn't fix anything. So we like to go through our stuff, and that way I know what I have. So, one of these later Toros, you just have a little tab here, flips up. Hood's good, not busted in any way. Shutting the hood now. You have an air vent system here. It sucks air and blows out through the cooling fan. Right here's what I'm talking about on the hood. Something's come back and hit it there. I'm just being honest with you. All the paint on this machine, other than that bucket, is original. Nothing has been touched up. It is actually a very, very good looking machine and an awesome running working machine. Can't find anything wrong. We've had the tracks off. We did pull them. We went to check the bogies. Everything there is excellent. There's no abnormal, play or anything like that in any of the bogie wheels. You have standard Toro Dingo mount. Fit any modern mini skid steer out there today, with the exception of Bobcat MT. Now, of course, Bobcat MT is starting to finally follow suit and offer a Toro Dingo style mounting coupler, or competitive coupler they call it. So you do have hoses, or you do have your flat face couplers up here for running attachments. There's over 40 different attachments for these machines. It is quite impressive what they can do. Coming back here to the machine again, you do have this really, really nice stowaway sulky system that Toro offers, and you simply slide back out and it unlatches. There's a little procedure to doing that, but a lot of guys like the Toro. I like the Toro style setup. This is what I call your backup guard, your anti-pinch guard. Basically, if you're up against a wall, if you're pinched, it's not going to let you go in reverse, okay? So then the other thing here, Toro has a really nice control system compared to a lot of them, and a lot of them have followed suit with Toro now. So you have a very simple forward, reverse, very simple left, right. A lot of guys, they'll steer up here also and let their hand here. I myself like to go like this, and you can control the machine very easily. Joystick loader control, up, down, curl, uncurl, float function. Very nice setup on that also. Park brake, you're going to hardly ever use that. This is a lockout for the loader joystick. Just simply gets in like that. And comes back around if you need to lock it. Here you're going to have auxiliary hydraulic, D10 for running a backhoe, or forward and reverse for auger, and then that's out. So 640.6 hours. Fuel gauge works. You have your idiot lights here, glow plug light. So we're going to crank this thing up, take down your dirt column. So again, that will burn off. As a matter of fact, we're going to let it sit here and run and let it burn off. And there again, I want everybody to understand that, know that there's no oil leak, there's no anything. It's grease that got sprayed realistically from here with the hood open, and that is what's causing that. So don't be alarmed. I'm being honest. The main guys have never said nothing. They just kept on going. So that's why we take the time to do these videos, to try to be professional and to show you an accurate description of the machine. And a lot of guys would have hid that or had them clean it back off or whatever. It's hard to get that off there sometimes and just let it until it burns off. So if you have any questions, www.marksupplyco.com. You're welcome to visit us there. Give us a call. That's our phone number, 814-658-3066. We are always more than welcome to help the customer. More than always welcome if you need some additional photos or anything like that. We're glad to get it for you. If you need a freight quote, we have been very successful shipping these via pallet freight. How we do it though, so you understand, we literally will take the bucket off, turn it around, run the tracks inside of it, fold up the ride platform, build a custom built skid for it. You have to have a forklift unload. Forklift with at least a 3,000 pound lifting capacity. You do need a loading dock, or forklift with a loading dock, or a loading dock of some sort. There again, we'll work with anybody we can on this freight, okay? Just let us know and get you a quote. One thing I forgot to do, and I'm going to do it real quick here, I want to show you about the mounting system. There you can see real easily how, you know, within a matter of seconds you can have your bucket going off. So machine's good and tight, there's no oil leaks. Again, excuse me, you're buying a machine that's 110% ready to work. If you're looking for forks, grapple, auger, different buckets, we've got it here from CID Extreme. We even stock a rototiller. So if you have any questions on attachments from CID Extreme Attachments for your mini loader, give us a call. We're glad to help you. We keep stuff in stock ready to ship every day. So again, I'm Nick Miller at Mark Supply. Check us out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on our website there. Check us out on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, or on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Jump over to our Facebook page. We'll be updating that here now regular. We're back into the season of things. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.